Hello viewers, through this video we learn or we establish the relationship between elasticity of demand, average revenue and marginal revenue. We know that the price elasticity of demand is defined by ED proportionate change in quantity demanded Q divided by proportionate change in price of the commodity P, that is equal to the proportionate change in quantity demanded is delta Q by Q, and the proportionate change in price of the commodity is delta P by P. So delta Q means change in Q divided by Q, that is the proportionate change in quantity demanded. Here delta P means change in P divided by P, that is the proportionate change in price. So this will be equal to delta Q by delta P dot P by Q. Now using the limit value, we may write this equation as ED is equal to limit delta P tends to 0 delta Q by delta P dot P by Q, that's equal to dQ by dP. The name of this portion is this dot P by Q. Thus we get ED is equal to dQ by dP dot P by Q. So elasticity of demand is the derivative of the demand function with respect to price into P by Q, that is demand. Again, total revenue R is equal to price P into quantity demanded Q. So therefore R is equal to P dot Q, P into Q. We know that marginal revenue is derived of total revenue with respect to quantity. Therefore, dr by dq is the marginal revenue, and that is equal to d by dq. What is the r? R is the p into q, and that is equal to, so this is the product of p and q. Here we use the product rule of differentiation. So first function derivative of second function, that is q, plus second function q derivative of first function, that is p d q, and that is equal to p, because derivative of q with respect to q is 1, plus q dot dp by dq equal to, here we take common p, then 1 plus, there is no p, so that's why q divided by p dot dp by dq p 1 plus, take this portion in denominator 1 by dq by dp dot p by q. So if we take this portion in denominator, then we have to write this way. That is equal to P1 plus, already we have know that dq by dp into p by q is nothing but elasticity of demand. Here ED is equal to dq by dp dot p by q. So we get dr by dq, that is derivative value of revenue function with respect to q, is the marginal revenue, equal to p is nothing but the average revenue. So AR 1 plus 1 by ED. Thus we get this relation number 1. Since the point elasticity is negative because of the inverse relationship between price and quantity, so we may express the relationship between average revenue, marginal revenue and price elasticity EDS, or we may express the equation 1 as MR is equal to AR 1 minus 1 by ED. So it is a modulus value of ED. Here we put minus sign instead of plus sign because of the inverse relationship between price and quantity. So MR can be written as AR minus AR. Removing this bracket, we may write this way. Here, take this portion here, elasticity of demand divided by, equal to average revenue minus marginal revenue. Again, is equal to, take this AR into the right hand side, AR minus MR divided by AR, or ED will be equal to AR minus MR. So finally we get modulus value of elasticity of demand is equal to AR divided by AR minus MR. So this states the relationship between elasticity of demand, average revenue and marginal revenue. Thank you.